Fellow Ambazonians, fellow Southern Cameroonians, welcome once more for this platform. Nami Kapo Daniel, the Deputy Defense Chief of the Ambazonia Defense Forces. I don't come for una today for give una the program for our National Day of Mourning, our National Day of Shame, the 11th of February, where they come this month on Thursday. So we will observe a National Day of Mourning, a National Day of Shame this coming 11th of February as we day inside this war for our liberation movement. So as usual, for this platform, we'll start with the music for welcome everybody and for greet everybody where they don't welcome me for their house for Ground Zero through our national television, the ACN. Go ahead to play music. We'll go use that time for welcome Oman and I will go right directly into our presentation for today. I also want to remind our people and say the chief for the Ambazonian Defense Forces, Benedict Kwa, go to get a presentation regarding some defense update together with Mr. Lucas Asu. I will just beg your time for look for that music. Where it be difficult for me to find them, for bring them, and for prepare we inside the program. Okay. Sorry for that delay. There we go.
Yeah, Genesis. Genesis, Jemo, Saki Kalindua. Bono fight the Mesa, say I get a from now. I got Nayusamana, Gana Jalambra. Calling man, we'll fight the Wolom song there, we'll not chamber. If I'm myself, Saka Bomber.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome.
Yeah, Genesis.
And all people where they watch me.
Genesis,
Yeah, Kumba, I want to hello Moliko, Munyenge. Oh, now come good. All many place day. All of us soldier them. Kaludu na koru na kapu. So I want to welcome all those who are watching on Facebook. I see Square Chinaman, the online Don Man, all kind of names them. Hello, welcome to this presentation for today.
Alam se sanga yola jamna kanja ma fame ko ma chinke bona vata be funa ma be baina anjong na manjana ayena baina tua eche wana baina chi ma chintai bona vata nyam se jamante nandra anama nyona amanata nambe ama chintu fa bona vata nyam se jamatu se fai
Allman, welcome. Once again, I want to salute Allman for Ground Zero for watching me for Allman where they watch for Facebook. We could go directly for
Genesis judgment, I don't need judgment, yeah, my Ebella. I'm another man called Jalen and Fred, my bonnet, young and bed. In the one day you're gonna say, job for the Satan, I'll be there for some man. Efua, Efeka, Efua, Etonga, Aya, Sakana,
Ken. Why never ever?
Emma, away my wine, I'm gonna Emma, away my wine, I'm gonna
Emma. Fellow Ambazonians, fellow Southern Cameroonians, once more I welcome Una for this platform and for this presentation where the Duam as the Deputy Defense Chief for the Ambazonia Defense Forces. Ladies and gentlemen, wherever you are, I greet you. Una come good. All many place today. So 11 February, a day around the corner. 11 February, now a national day of mourning for Ambazonia. Now a day of national shame for we people then for the British Southern Cameroon, now Ambazonia. Would want announce, say on the 11th of February, would announce a lockdown for inside our national territory, all across our territory. From the beginning of Monday, when at the normal country Sunday, till that lockdown we go day only on 11th of February. Make our people then be vigilant, because from Monday, from weekend till 11 February, we go to carry out major operation them, and some of those operations they go lock down some area them automatically. Sorry for that excuse. So I don't can announce them today for now. The war can say decision where they don't reach them in consultation with Ground Zero, and would know say for Ground Zero from our communication with the civilian population. The civilian population they demand say we will get a lockdown for a 1 week lockdown. But after we done discuss with our military officials them and our generals across our national territory, with our general from Fako, the one for Manfe, the one for Lebialem, all across our national territory, the general them, because of the military operation, the way they go to one carry them out, they prefer say make we not get a 1 week lockdown. So we're going to get a lockdown on the first on the day itself, the national day of mourning itself. That means say on 11 February it will get a lockdown only 1 day. But I don't want to inform our public, me to understand, say make all man just be ready, say the whole that week things that will be just shut down because of the military operation the way it to go across our national territory. We also want to inform the people then for inside Cambe, for Atlantic, for Savannah State. Say for Cambe would impose a 1 week blockade of Cambe. There is a 1 week blockade in Cambe from Monday. Would call on all people then from Cambe, all they call those tribes then for Cambe. Say the how did they call that name again? our I think so, I don't forget the name, but I know the name very well. Forgive me for that mistake. Our people then for Cambe area, I must get that name. Wimboom. Yes, all Wimboom people them. So I don't want to send this message, me go out for all Ambazonian Wimboom people them for across our national territory, because of the activity of Ngala Gerard for inside Nkambe, for use corruption, for pollute the atmosphere, for manipulate our vulnerable people them for Cambe Center, for use them as propaganda and a staging ground for propaganda for La République du Cameroon. We go to impose a 1 week blockade for inside Nkambe town center. So they call on all Nkambe people them, me they not travel for go for village the whole 1 week from Monday the 8th till Saturday the 12th of this month. So no transportation will be allowed to go inside Cambe, no matter what circumstances. La République du Cameroon already, their military, they don't take charge for Cambe for even supply things like Maggie Cube and Savon. They can't deliver them for them with helicopter and armored vehicles. So because of the corruption for instance Cambe Center, we're going to impose a lockdown, a complete blockade of Cambe for the people for Cambe because of that security challenges. And we'll send this message also for places like for instance Victoria, with a good response, where they run the response, we then continue that way. because it can happen in Victoria. We can decide to impose a blockade of Victoria. But right now, we inform all Wimbum people, say make no man try for enter for inside Cambe or for come out for Cambe from Monday. If you do for Cambe, you want come out, you come out now. If you know be there for Cambe, no enter for Cambe. Any man who want go for Cambe, if your ID card where you carry up, the right time for this you been a Wimbum person, you did travel towards outside from Cambe, they go arrest you, keep you till that 1 week go come. So in a message that may go across our territory, say there will be a blockade of Cambe because of national security reasons and the manipulation and corruption where La Republic the pour money for inside Cambe and they don't take charge for supply Maggi, Cube and Savon and things like that for inside Cambe. So ladies and gentlemen, 11 February is around the corner and I ran camp for camp inform when I say 11 February na a day of national mourning, na a day of national shame. 11 February when na the day where the people of the Southern Cameroon they will go through the exercise of the plebiscite organized by the UNO. It then become a day of national shame for us Ambazonian and a day of national mourning. 11th of February, it will be a day where the Southern Cameroonians will participate in an act of external self-determination which was in itself suppressed by the British government. The British government was mandated by the UNO to govern our territory until independence. Unfortunately, the United Kingdom opposed vehemently our independent quest in the United Nations. We should remember that in 1959, in the Manfred Conference, Manfred All-Party Conference that took place on the 29th day of August 1959, the representative, the traditional leaders, and all the parties and stakeholders of the Southern Cameroon gathered in Manfred and voted unanimously for us to go into independence. Having gone through that process, the United Kingdom representative in the United Nations Committee for Trusteeship Committee, Sir Andrew Cohen, opposes our independence and force upon the people of Ambazonia the choice between frying pan and fire to either choose to join Nigeria or La République du Cameroon. That was an injustice done to our people. Until today, we are suffering from that effect. It had exposed us to recolonization by La République du Cameroon, and we are feeling the effect. We are fighting the war. So 11th of February is going to be a day of national mourning for our entire territory, for the people for mourn not only the conversion of our national day into a youth day, now also a travesty for show the Machiavellian bad faith action of La République du Cameroon for dwarf and suppress international law and the rights of our people to end up recolonize us. Even when we voted in an unjust choice to choose between Nigeria and La République du Cameroon, the Cameroon state did not still recognize our statehood. They opposed that vote itself and imposed their federal constitution upon our territory. It will be very good for me for remind our people about our history for this 11th of February. We know very well, say history, the teach we. Say for Southern Cameroons, since from 1949, will be to celebrate the Empire Day across our national territory, to celebrate the British Empire's rule on our territory. The United Nations gave us to the British people to govern us until independent. To govern us until independent. Our territory used to celebrate the Empire Day until August 26, 1954, when the Nigerian Constitution granted us quasi-autonomy. So we started now celebrating, apart from the Empire Day, on the 26th of October, we started to commemorate and celebrate Southern Cameroon National Day. We were celebrating Cameroon National Day every 26 October from 1954. Our country have grown and grown. According to Jongu Foncha, that celebration was very important to give us that impetus to develop our national identity as the people of the Southern Cameroon. So we should always remember that history. We have been observing that day, which was granted us as a region, a quasi-autonomous region within Nigeria, attached to Nigeria, that had separated the Southern Cameroons from Southern Cameroon and Northern Cameroon. So we had this unique celebration that we used to have in our national territory. That is our history. So after we voted to join La République du Cameroun in an unjust plebiscite, Dr. Jongu Foncha, who was the Prime Minister and the head of state of the Southern Cameroon, decided that the national day that we used to celebrate on August 26 should be changed into a youth day, because that national day was us being a nation, a quasi-independent state, not a full independent state. Now that we have attained independence by joining La République, they changed the national day into a youth day, and the 1st of October was now the national day of the Southern Cameroons. So we celebrated the 1st of October as a national day, even as a federal state within the Cameroon Federation, for 2 years. And after 2 years, Amadou Ahidjo, who was the president of Cameroon, forced Honorable Ndamukong, who was the Secretary of Welfare and Education, to change the national day into a youth day, which is an insult to our nationality within that state. And eventually, Amadou Ahidjo of La République du Cameroun adopted National Day across the whole of the Cameroons. And we know that when we used to celebrate the National Day on the 26th of August, we used to have military parade, the police parade, and the students. So after independence, after 1961, Dr. Jongu Foncha, who was the Prime Minister, now says that there will be no guard of honor on the National Day, which was transformed into a Youth Day. So on the Youth Day, now the 26th of August became a Youth Day, a day where the students are going to march and the Prime Minister will deliver a speech. And the National Day was 1st of October, where you have the guard of honor, where the police, the mobile wing, will celebrate our National Day. That was celebrated even in the Cameroon Federation, uniquely on West Cameroon. But Amadou Ahidjo, they came and they manipulated everything, and they decided to suppress our nationalism, the spirit of our nationalism, by asking the Secretary of Welfare and Education, Honorable Ndamukong, to change the National Day into a Youth Day. And it was eventually adopted across the territory. And we are also equally guilty. Our generation is equally guilty because we had been tricked and be allowed by those who were supposed to teach us our history to celebrate this Youth Day when we were still in Cameroon before the Restoration Act that was done by Chief Godi Dinka, as well as done by the independence that was declared on December 31 by Frederick Adebole, and was also reiterated by Ayok Tabi Seseko. So, ladies and gentlemen, now the thing that will come, so I go still talk for pidgin, so that make all our people they understand. So our mommy them, our papa them, for Ground Zero, now me the Deputy Defense Chief for the Ambazonia Defense Forces, I the one for come talk for na say the 11th February it come when a day of national mourning, na a day of national shame. Would it impose a national lockdown on 11th February, even though we don't get requests from Ground Zero, say we will do 1 week lockdown from Monday the 8th up to Saturday. But the leadership then feel say because of the humanitarian crisis, places that will not go lock the whole territory. But me people then be vigilant because military operation they go on. Me people they respond accordingly. They go be only lockdown only for 11 February CESEP. But me people then be vigilant. But for the people for Cambe, would they impose a lockdown for Cambe and a blockade for Cambe? Would they ban all man because of the corruption of Ngala Gerard and La République du Cameroon taking full control of the commercial activity from Cambe? They supply things like Maggi cube, granola oil, savon. Would then blockade Cambe, say for 1 week from Monday number 8, make no Wimbum person in no travel go from Cambe. If any Ambazonian Defense Forces or our sister forces them, then catch any man way for inside the identity card, it is shows an Cambe man will be the travel for village, they go detain you until that day, that period go come pass. We go physically blockade the whole of Cambe. Me no man no enter, me no man no come out. And that one go save as a message for places them where La Republic they use corruption for try for dwarf and suppress our nationalism. Now the program that will get them from the Governing Council and the Ambazonian Defense Forces for this 11 February where they come. When I know say 11 February be na the day where we will be exercise a level of our self-determination through that plebiscite where United Nations will be organized them, say we will choose for join either Nigeria or La République du Cameroon, where we be a choice for join either frying pan or fire. That one, that plebiscite CESEP, it will be wrong because for 1959, our people them, all political conference, they call that conference will be happen for Manfe, the all party conference for Manfe, it will take place. We will achieve them, traditional rulers and our political leaders. They be gathered for Manfe, they be decisive, they want an independent. Mindful of the fact say, the United Nations, it be give Southern Cameroon for United Kingdom. Say me then govern we, then control we until we go mature for become independent and then they will give independent. But the will of our people, it no be accepted. It will be opposed by the representative for inside United Nations Trusteeship Council from the United Kingdom, we name na Andrew Cohen. It be oppose that option and then force we for choose only between Nigeria and La République. Then refuse for give we the third options for independent, where it be against the United Nations, the spirit of their laws them vis-a-vis our country. It be as it be, we be go vote now for this 11 February for join La République du Cameroon. Like brothers, like Africans. Unfortunately, they don't receive we like brothers or Africans. Even for that vote, they oppose that vote for inside United Nations. But then lost them. Then come, they don't recognize we for get inside a union treaty because they want take we like slaves for exploit our resources them. So they don't recolonize we. 11 February, before that time, Southern Cameroon it be celebrate na Empire Day. Since 1949, that way British people they be get recognition for mandate over our territory will be celebrate na Empire Day. Where they will get horse racing, dances, traditional dances. Our police they do all kind of things that will celebrate our empire as people, them British people, the way we will do for that territory. That way will be joined with Nigeria for 1954. That way they be changed for Eastern Nigeria, their parliament. They grant us semi-autonomy in a quasi-nationalist territory. They give us partial independent autonomy. We will self-govern, we attend self-govern for 26 August 1949. We'll start begin celebrate National Day, Southern Cameroon National Day, every August 26. That's how we be celebrate them. Jongu Foncha be talk say, only that celebration, it be give we impetus for our people, forget courage, forget that national identity, forget that power for come out for inside Nigeria, so we want be by our own. Unfortunately, when they be take decisions, say we want be independent. For the conference will be take place for 1959. For Manfe all-party conference, the British people they be denied. Then go turn, and that deny it be been an injustice. Whoa, this is suffer the effective today. Our forebears them, they no be fight, they no be turn out for fight for resist the British people. Like how would I decide for resist La République? So this our generation, an ordained generation, for rewrite all the wrongs and all the injustice where our territory it don't suffer. So my mommy, my papa them, we need for look back for history, for learn where will come out and where to be our identity. After that time, the national day where they be celebrate them, where we be at that 26 August, where will be where the Nigerian, Eastern Nigerian Constitution it be ground with quasi autonomy. It be been our national day celebration. For 1961, that way we will vote for join La Republic. After 1st of October, Jongu Foncha it changed our national day where we been at 26 August into 1st of October. When at the day that way will be grant independent by joining, even though it no be joined and that independent they no be given for our hand. So national day it be changed for Southern Cameroon from 26 August to 1st of October, and then they change that national day into Youth Day. So Youth Day now it be been at 26 for August. Now so it be for 1961, 1962. Now for 1963 now, where Amadou Ahidjo he forced Honorable Ndamukong, where he be been a Secretary of Education and Welfare, make it change that national day because we then talk say the one force we say we will be in a one nation. Now say they manipulate it, then change a small minister where we be under Foncha, it go change our national day into Youth Day. They when a picking the march. Before for National Day, army people they be get guard of honor, army people they be police them, our military wing police they be the march. Now only youth picking they be the march now for this day. So now they will be lost our control for our territory. Now they will be supposed to give we independent, but it can't turn a day of mockery. As La Republic, they don't take we put them for inside their ndumut. This day na a day of national mourning. We decry the loss of our sovereignty, our freedom, our self-governance. Our brother them for northern Nigeria where they be join Nigeria. Today they get more govern power over their territory than we. We will get independent as two equal states. So the one where they join Nigeria for integrate, then get more freedom today, past we who will join for be equal partner with La Republic. Then get more power over decisions of governance. They manage their own budget. Today, as we do for La Republic, we get less power and less freedom. Past the time we will be there even for British people them. Before the one even can fully attach we. So they don't take we now for back. So this 11 February, na day for the cry die day for Southern Cameroonians them. Ambazonians them. Na cry die day with the mourn. So me no man no come up for outside. Me no man celebrate. Me will take time, will reflect, and will fight for liberate ourselves from this situation all day. I hope so our technical team they go cut me off. Na other one I don't come can tell now. I go recap again. Why would wait me then cut me off from our national TV? So on 11 February, na lockdown for all Ambazonia. But from Monday till that 11 February, we go to get operation them when a big operation them. So many people then be vigilant. If people that want stay for house, me then stay for house, it go be fine. But people then be vigilant. You know go find some people that begin go travel, go far during this period. Not be locked down. But because our people they already tell we say they don't be feel say they don't prepare already. So we want them be very flexible. But we want make people then go about their day-to-day business. Because it be important for keep maintain their livelihood. Without them be able to sustain their livelihood, it will be difficult for them to fight this war. So now the thing that we want to talk, we'll get a lot of things the way they come. We don't hear Mr. Shui come up from the United Kingdom, their representative when they don't be a chairman for Security Council. We will do the presentation tomorrow. The clouds they gather around La Republic du Cameroon and Ambazonia it win very bigly. So may God bless you now. Make our revolution be short. May our independence, freedom, democracy in Ambazonia be forevermore. God bless you.